I tell you who most of them artists here follow. Most of these artists are follow Alkaline. And that's why as brothers things we still have to rate Alkaline. Cause what him do something was so powerful that someone I try follow him and I mash up them own self. Zin? Now, Alkaline, almost anywhere, him go up on the planet and keep a show it ramp. So when Alkaline get broke or him money a dim down, him just keep 5 show. You hear him keep one of England, one of Canada, one of Jamaica, one of Barbados, one of St. Martin, and him eat back of food and build up back his money. Not all of you guys have the capacity to do that. Because some of you really can't full out a venue without other people on the party or the show.